Hai, Wanakkam, salam sejahtera, Tajahau. So, hari ni kita dekat dapur, bukan dapur Chef Dave, tapi di rumah Pearly Kee. So, tadi kita dah jumpa, dia bawa kita jalan-jalan dekat garden. So, it's really beautiful how we can see people grow their own herbs and spice at, surrounding the house, which is really encouraging. Pearly Kee, dia adalah, I introduced earlier, she's like my godmother in culinary world that I newly found, and I'm ready to get knocked by her today because she going to be like looking at the details. How am I going to do? So I have to keep behind all my 10 years experience, which I play around in the kitchen like nobody knows. But today, no, she going to be just look into every single detail. So let's check it out and welcome our, how should I introduce, like the goddess of Nyonya cuisine.
Oh, you make me as if I'm your wicked mother. I'm not your wicked mother. Okay?
No, when you get knocked, that's a symbol of love, I get that a lot from my mom. So after years, now I'm going to get from you, because my mom, when come to cooking, now I'm like the master for her already.
Oh, really?
So, but when comes to you, now I cannot do that anymore.
Okay. I'm going to share with you how to do the Nyonya Pajeri.
Okay.
Yeah, our Nyonya Pajeri I love to do with nanas, but also I like to have eggplant.
Eggplant, okay.
Yes. Nonya's cuisine derived from the early Malays.
Okay.
So because they derive from the early Malays, they take a lot of fresh ingredients.
Okay.
Yeah. They only take a little bit of Malay and Indian and then cook by the Chinese.
Okay.
So the palate will be a little bit more refined because of the combination.
Understand.
Yeah. So I've kind of cut the chilies for you. I want you to cut the chilies.
The remaining?
Yeah, the remaining.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I also want to show you this.
Okay.
I never remove the head and the tail.
Okay.
If I'm going to keep for a few hours.
Okay.
Yeah, because you don't want it to absorb the odor from the surrounding.
Oh, okay.
Yeah?
Sure.
You don't want to absorb. It was so funny. So all the chilies you put in. When you wash your turmeric, you would not want to take off the skin.
Okay.
You just take your nail and then you scratch off.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, because underneath the skin is where all the vitamin B are.
Okay, okay.
So you cut them.
Okay.
And then you put them in. It smells so good, you see?
Yeah.
Okay. Now I must put in cloves.
Okay.
Bunga cengkih.
Okay.
Clove. That's right. Okay.
About 5 to 6.
Yeah, 5 to
Chili
6.
about 2.
Actually, if big ones 4.
Okay.
This one because it's quite thin. Then now when you want to fill the water, fill 1/3.
Okay.
Then we'll make a good paste. Like that, yeah.
Okay.
Fill 1/3 with water, and then we blend.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay.
Very good. Now we'll leave this here first. We're going to add water in later.
1 tablespoon of chili powder.
One big
Okay.
cube.
Okay.
A little bit more.
Okay.
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 Then coriander powder,
3
tablespoons.
Okay. Okay.
Very good.
Next.
Now you stir.
Okay. Stir this one?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay.
Keep to where the fire is.
Okay.
Now this is where what you don't do. If you do this,
Okay.
you are making the paste heavy.
Okay.
You want the paste to be light.
Okay.
So you never do this.
Okay.
This
Okay.
also we never do this.
Okay.
We do this. Yeah. So this is what I do. Show you first.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. This is what you do.
Okay.
You turn like that.
Okay.
Like this. Use the tip.
Okay.
Turn like that.
Okay.
So make it.
Okay.
Good.
Oh, so no need to add any oil or anything.
Not yet. Keep it where the fire is. So it doesn't burn. The outside doesn't burn. That's right. This is how. If you are cooking this way, you are going back to the old days.
Okay.
You may have modern appliances, but you can still make good things by doing the correct technique.
Understand.
You still get the old flavor.
Okay.
Because you added water. In the past, they used the
batu giling,
they get it drier.
Grinding stone.
So because they get it drier, you don't have to wait so long. You don't have to dry it out. So now you dry it out first.
Okay.
And this is the essence to modern cooking.
Okay.
If you dry it out first, it doesn't splatter when you add oil. See the smell of the coriander is coming?
Yes.
So this is what we want. So when I see you dropping in, dropping here, dropping there, I nearly want to give you a knock.
Okay.
You see all this dryness? You are creating the finesse, the char flavor.
Okay.
But you're not burning it.
Okay.
So take this and then scrape it out.
Okay.
So the dryness that goes in will have the burn smell and the char flavor like that. You do it until almost everything is about burn. Oh, you don't want it burn. So you keep doing this way. See? This is what you do. You keep doing this way. Now, until you can see it's all drying at the bottom, then you add oil.
Okay. Okay.
Take it down. Very good. Now you can see all drying, right? And that's when you put in the oil.
Okay.
Pour the oil in.
Okay.
Pour the oil in. 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay. There's only teaspoon. Okay. I'm going to lower the heat. So whenever you do mix, that's where you lower the heat.
Okay.
This is what you want, the bubbling. The bubbling will tell you how much moisture there still is. Now, this is what we do. Take off all the
scraps.
We don't knock, but we take it all out like that. So we shake it in. Now, everything we can't grow, so we don't want to waste. We treasure. All right. Okay, good.
Okay. And this one just cut into a half. Okay.
Half or quarter is fine.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Now water.
Okay. Okay.
So how much water do we put?
Just to nicely cover.
Yes.
Okay.
About this much.
Okay.
So if you don't put enough water, it will not cook. This is what we can do. Brown sugar can put in.
Okay. All? So.
That's right. Take
okay.
a spoon and check. It's about 2 to 3.
Okay. 1. Yeah, about 2.5. Yeah, 2, 3. Yeah. Do we put salt now or later?
No.
Later.
Canned vegetables, you can put salt now. Coconut cream also can go in now.
Okay.
All can go in. So this is 1 tablespoon first. 1 teaspoon first.
Okay.
Don't put too much. After that we taste. Okay, good. Then the coconut cream can go in. This is about 100 grams.
Okay. So
from the freezer.
So just okay, from the freezer. Okay.
Freeze.
Okay.
Yeah, all can go in now.
So normally you freeze your coconut cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
I will have it specially done.
Okay.
And then I'll get them packed.
Okay.
100 grams, and I store in the freezer. As and when I want to use, I take 1 or 2 out.
Okay.
Yeah. Very good. So when we stir, we concentrate on the side.
Okay. So that
all the,
we don't want to have the kerak.
Don't want it to burn. Yeah. So this will take about 20 to 30 minutes.
Okay.
Slowly. Bring out the eggplant for them to see here. Turn. Now you can see the eggplant is fully cooked. Open up. See? That's what we want. Just now you can see some whiteness.
Yeah. So now it's like really cooked.
One more.
Yeah.
Okay, taste.
Okay.
You are tasting. I'm smelling. I cannot smell the sweetness.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
See? So you need to acquire this. One day you will acquire this. When you smell,
you know that.
You know where the taste comes from.
Understand.
Tablespoon.
Okay.
Maybe 2 huge tablespoons.
Okay.
Or else the flavor cannot come out.
Okay.
Sometimes why the pineapple is too raw. Because it's too raw, it's sour.
So the sweetness. Okay.
When it's cooking, the sourness comes out, so it's not sweet enough.
Understand.
So that is the reason why you have to add the brown sugar. Today, brown sugar not easy to find. No?
True.
Turn off the turn down. That's right, beautiful. Now it's going to be very nice.
Yeah, it's really like reduced and the sauce is thick enough.
So the darkness and the color maturing is from the brown sugar. Yeah, if you use white sugar, then the tinge of red is there. The Malays like to do this yellow form.
Okay,
They like it to have a lot of turmeric. We
Okay.
don't. We like it a little brown.
Okay. The pajeri should be like a more on the sweet side, right?
Yes. Okay, beautiful.
Yep.
Now you can plate.
So, okay.
Happy?
Okay, so we can see the pajeri is really, really good, man. Okay, so just garnish with some cloves and some red chili to give you some colors and, you know, like touch of